Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open Lucidchart. Let's begin. Opening Lucidchart is very easy and can be done via a web browser or an application. Now, if you open the Lucidchart in a web browser, you have to go to the official website, which is www.lucidchart.com. And from here, just click the login button. Click that and you would be forwarded to this section. You just have to log in to access the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite, wherein just enter your email or username, or if you have used any of the following accounts during the account creation. So we have a separate video on how to create an account here in Lucidchart that you might want to check in our channel. But basically, you can choose from any of the following: a single sign-on, Microsoft account, Google, or Slack. Now, if by any chance you forgot your password or having issues with the access, you might want to click the, for example, we'll type in here, click on next, and you forgot your password. You might want to click the button that says forgot password. And here, all you have to do is enter your email address or username. So basically, Lucidchart can send you a link to reset your password. All right, so we'll do that right now. And click on the send reset link. All right. And from here, if you forget your password, enter that. Let's try to check our email if you receive an instruction for that. And you would notice we receive an instructions from Lucid. All right. And all you have to do is click the button that says reset password. But if you have successfully created an account here in Lucidchart, you might want to receive something like a welcome email from the Lucidchart, and all you have to do is click this button right here to get started, and you would be forwarded to your main account, wherein all you have to do is be familiarized with yourself here in Lucidchart. Now, if you're having problems accessing your Lucidchart account, even though you have tried resetting your password, right, the next thing that you need to do is contact the Lucid chat support or the customer sales. You have all these channels. You can click this number to call them, general contact support, and the sales. If you click the contact support, you would be forwarded here. It's very easy. You can type in your topic if you get an answer. If you don't, just click this option right here that says contact us option. That's going to be on the very bottom, which says submit a ticket. And from here, you just have to follow the instructions. All right. Put in your email address, subject, and of course, one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to open your Lucidchart account if in case you encounter any issues or problems. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.